bibigyan po kayo ng pagkakataon na maging superhero, ano pong superpower yung gusto nyong taglayin?
I did not really, imagine superpowers when I was younger. Kasi para sa akin, ang success hindi talaga nanggagaling sa being a super something eh. Nasa tao yan. You really have to find something within yourself to really do better than the others. That has always been my belief. No? Kaya nga sabi ko, you outwork other people. You put more effort.
Mas pipiliin niyo po bang maging laging on time pumasok, dumating, pero laging gutom or laging late pero busog? At bakit?
Importante yung punctuality because natitrain mo yung sarili mo mag-manage ng oras. If you become punctual and you organize your time well, habang estudyante kayo, investment yan in the future. Para pag dumaming responsibility nyo, hindi kayo ma-overwhelm ng demands ng trabaho.
What is the biggest lesson you learned so far in your life?
Do not be afraid to fail because usually something comes out better after you fail. I'm never afraid to fail kasi sa buhay ko, yung mga inambition kong hindi nangyari, mas maganda yung nangyari pagkatapos. Ang importante ay alam mo kung bakit hindi ka nagtagumpay at paano mo sisiguruhin na pag naulit yung circumstances na yon, mas maganda yung magagawa mo. It's always a learning experience.